Learning how to draw caricatures is really just learning how to exaggerate all the features in a face. If you're starting out, then focusing on one feature, like the shape of a head, is a good place to start. Follow along with me and I'll show you how to draw all these characters that show a really wide variety of head shapes. Hi, my name's Kathy and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. My favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. Okay, I'm going to draw 4 of these faces at a time and slowly work through each one on each page and then go to the next group. There's a total of 12 faces, so that adds up to a lot of different examples. The most important thing for you to notice is all the variations that are shown here and how the shape of the head can say so much about the personality of the person that's being drawn. All right, here's a quick review of what that whole group of caricatures look like. As you can see, tracing your drawing with a black marker and then filling in some areas too will really give your art a lot of impact. For some extra help, please look for a free step-by-step tutorial in the description below. At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find more cartoon drawing projects like this one, including one for SpongeBob and Spider-Man. Over the years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Thank you for joining me today, and if you're watching this on YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified as soon as I post a new video.